What is competence and what's skill? Competence is the inherited qualities of an individual to do the job better. Versus a skill is something which is coachable, trainable. Competence takes years to be developed, but skill is something which you can train any individual for. Example, you are hiring a recruiter. What is the skill you are expecting that recruiter to have? What is the skill you are expecting a recruiter to have? Having a knowledge of monster, booleans, correct? Right? That's a technical trait of the profile. What is the competence you are expecting? You want that recruiter to have a negotiation skills. You want that competence recruiter to have a good communication, convincing. So that becomes the competence of that profile, right? Agree? The personality that will help to do the job better is the competence. The technical trait of the profile is called a skill. You are hiring a IT developer. You probably need the person to know some IT language, PHP, Java, .NET, different frameworks. That is a skill. But what is the competence you are expecting that IT developer to have? Detail-oriented. Developer has to be. Need to have patience so that there is no bug. Very good. Problem solving, analytics. Great. So that becomes the competence of that profile. You are hiring a sales guy, you want that sales guy to have a product knowledge, that's a skill. When you want that sales guy to have a negotiation, convincing, that becomes the functional competence of that profile. Understood? The base difference is clear?
Yeah.
Right? Now, what are the types of competence? When we hire the candidate, we always focus over the skill, then the competence. Don't you feel so? Right? Do we focus on skill over the competence? We do all technical interviews, all technical tests. Have you ever taken the competence interview? Don't you feel competence plays an important part over the skill? You are hiring a developer. The developer is aggressive, is not detail oriented, not focused on the work, didn't have analytical skills, but no WordPress. So, which is more important? Having a competence or having a skill? Example, you are hiring a recruiter. Recruiter is aggressive on the candidates, not trying to convince, just knowing monster and all. Will that solve your purpose? No, because to deliver the job, having a competence is foremost the important priority. If the competence is not there, employee will not be able to utilize the skill properly, right? But when we recruit, when we appraise any candidate, any employee, we don't give a focus on, or we don't, find it relatable, and we don't even evaluate competence, and later we only struggle, and after a few months we say, hey, this candidate is not good for our company culture. No candidate is good or bad. Everyone is reacting according to their own personality. You as an HR is wrong. You have not selected the right competence for your organization. Correct? Now the question is, what are the different types of competence and what model we should build to select or to appraise anyone? The competence are mainly of three types: core, functional, and managerial competence. Core competence is always related to the company organizational values. Functional competence are job-specific competence, and managerial competence are something related to when you want someone to be promoted, what are the different competences you are expecting that employee to have.
I request you to go to the Skill Deck website. If you are interested to buy any live courses of Skill Deck, visit www.theskilldeck.com. I'll see you in the next video. By then, take care. Bye-bye.